David Schmoose of Christian Educators here. Are you a recent graduate looking for your first teaching position? Do you have questions about joining a union or how to save hundreds of dollars on the professional liability insurance that all educators need? Are you a Christian who wants to live out your faith legally in the public schools? If so, then this video is for you. Once you land your first teaching job, you'll be presented with a dilemma. At some point, you'll be politely asked, or sometimes not so politely told, to join a teachers' union. But maybe you've heard how teachers' unions often support political and moral causes that may go against your biblical values, or have very little, if anything, to do with education. Well, if you've heard that, unfortunately, you've heard correctly. Thankfully, as a Christian educator, you have options. Becoming a member of Christian Educators Association International instead of a teachers' union is much less expensive, provides similar or better coverages, and most importantly, is consistent with your biblical values. You might be thinking, but don't I have to join the union? I remember when I was hired for my first teaching job, I was told it was required. But actually, it's not. Regardless of what you are told by possibly overzealous union officials or even district staff, you legally cannot be forced to join a teachers' union. You see, the majority of states in the country are right-to-work states, and in those states you can easily join any professional organization you wish. But even in forced union states like my state of California, you still have two options. You can become a religious objector or an agency fee or fair share payer, potentially getting hundreds of dollars refunded from union dues. I was an agency fee payer for 10 years, and each year got a rebate check for nearly $400, more than enough to pay for my membership in Christian Educators. Go to our website and contact us to learn more about these options. If you choose to avoid expensive union membership, you will want to join Christian Educators immediately to make sure your important coverages are in place. CEAI members with coverage are protected by $2 million of professional liability insurance, are provided with a local attorney for issues like termination or suspension, and are also covered in some cases of false criminal accusations. And all this protection comes at the cost of only about $20 a month. Typically only 1/4 to 1/3 the cost of a teachers' union. Not only that, but with your membership comes unlimited legal and educational consultation, meaning that anytime you have a question about things like religious liberties, personnel issues, or really anything that you encounter in your job as an educator, give us a call or email, and we will pray with you and advise you through whatever challenge you are facing, all from a biblical worldview. Some Christian educators who, for various reasons, choose to belong to a union also join CEAI for these amazing benefits. Finally, our website is full of videos, articles, and other resources to help you effectively walk out your faith in the public schools. You can even get daily devotionals, submit prayer requests, or be matched with other Christian teachers to pray with. So join Christian Educators today. You receive similar or better coverages than the unions, none of your money goes to political causes, and your membership helps support other Christian educators like you, all for only about $20 a month. So go out and get that first job, and we look forward to serving you throughout your teaching career. Thank you.